first thing I'm going to use is Benefit Cheek Palette. I'm going to take the Hoola Bronzer in Caramel, and I'm going to use this as a transition shade with the Sigma E38 brush, and I'm just lightly sweeping that over in circular motions above, just below my brow bone, a little bit above my crease. Then I'm going to take Huda Beauty's Electric Obsessions palette, and I'm going to take that color that I'm pointing to right there, that shimmery blue color, and I'm going to put it on the first half of my lid. I really like these little palettes that she comes out with. I'm just using a flat brush, and then I'm going to put that first half of my eyelid only. Then I'm going into another palette. I'm going to use Dose of Colors Snow Angel, and I'm taking the light matte blue shade, and I'm going to pack that all over my blending brush, and I'm going to apply that to the outer corner of my eye, and then I'm just kind of working it. I'm not going all the way out to the outer corner, just kind of in the middle, I guess, and blending that. I just want to make sure that's blended with that shimmery shadow I added before. And then I'm going back into that palette with the darker matte blue shade. I really love these two blues together, and I'm going to add that to that all the way out to the outer corner. And I'm first kind of packing it on where I want, and then I'm going to blend it out. I just want to make sure not to cover too much of the blue that I put on before that. I kind of want to see just a little bit of it. Yeah, so I'm just packing it on with a smaller pencil type brush, and then I'm going to make sure the edges are all blended out. And then next for the eyeliner, originally I wanted to use a royal blue color, but after I did the first eye, I started using it and it just didn't, I don't know, I just didn't like it. I wanted something darker, so I just went over it with a black eyeliner. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to first kind of mix the royal blue and the black just to kind of match the other liner I got. Even though it looks black on video, but it was kind of like a dark blue shade. To be completely honest, you guys, I have no idea what I'm using today. Primer, I'm going to use this Dermalogica Hydra Blur primer. Focus. And as always, I just put the primer in my T-zone no matter what I'm using. So I just wanted to mention to you guys real quick, because I haven't mentioned it in any video yet. I'm using, my face is really bad right now, so I'm going to use this Smashbox Studio Skin Full Coverage Foundation. This stuff is full coverage. So by the time this video goes up, I'll have two already, because there's another video going up before this. But I didn't mention it in my other videos because I decided after I had filmed them. I'm going to be doing giveaways for every video. All you have to do is leave a comment with your Instagram name and you'll be entered. It's going to be random makeup that I'm giving away. I don't have like anything specific for each video. I don't know if you guys can see this little like red thing right here, but when I was trying to dry my eyelash glue and I was going like this and I literally hit my nose so hard. So dumb. So anyways, yeah, it's just going to be random stuff I send. Whatever fits in that little like padded envelope, I'm going to send. For concealer, I guess I'll just use the Tarte Shape Tape. I think I'm just going to go on another rant again about YouTube because I'm so frustrated. It is so hard keeping up with all this social media and YouTube. It's so hard! Especially being a single mom who has to like do freaking everything. Doesn't really have a lot of help, if any. Like, you do these videos and YouTube just tries to play me all the time. Seriously, it hates me. YouTube really hates me and I don't know what I did. I'm going to use the Dose of Colors new sponge that they just came out with. The gray and white halo. I mean, come on. I thought that look was so dope. I really liked it. And then it just flopped. And it even had a giveaway in it, and it still flopped. And on top of that, YouTube demonetized it for what reason? I have no idea. So it's like a double slap in my face. But I bet you if somebody else did it, that shit would blow up. So whatever. I'm frustrated. I think I wet this too much because it's kind of taking off the product. But whatever. What are we going to do? Okay, so I'm going to set that with, I'm going to set my under eyes only with the Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder. Under eye powder. Maybe that video bombed because I forgot to put mascara on my lower eyelashes. I can't believe I did that. I literally forgot my lower lashes and didn't realize until after the video was done. Oh, I guess it's mom brain, I guess. That shit is real. I'm gonna go back into the Benefit Cheek palette that I use in almost every one of my videos, and it is pretty beat up looking. I'm gonna take Hula bronzer and warm up my face a little bit. My daughter has her crazy hair day tomorrow, so after this video I literally have to go and make her little, I think she's gonna do like a little, last year we did a unicorn, and this year she's gonna do like a crazy, the little crazy minion guy, the little purple one when he goes crazy. So I have to make like a face or something. I know you guys are probably tired of seeing this Benefit palette, but I literally use it every single time I do my makeup. I think they just came out with a new one too. It has new colors in it. This is, I think, I'm going to do my nose too. This is, I think, the second one, like their second launch. I used the first one that they came out with a lot too. I just think they're such a good value because you get so many pans in there too. Most of the time when I'm doing my makeup and I don't know what I'm going to use, like for highlight or blush, I'll just use this whole thing, basically. Blush, I'm going to switch to the Milani Luminoso blush. I feel like this blush looks good on a lot of skin tones. I'm going to take this Milani setting powder, which I really, really like. I think, again, I show a lot of this stuff in all my videos. Sorry, when I like things, I like them. Okay, so I'm just going to take a little bit of it. I switched my sponge because that one was too wet. I like using this Milani one. It's the banana one because it's just, it's not as bright. So it doesn't leave like any type of white cast. It's dark white, but it still does something. The Balm's Mary Luminizer highlight. I haven't used this for a while. Whoa. Just a little bit. Haven't been wanting a lot of highlight lately. But I do like a nose highlight. I'm wiping it off, and again, I'm kind of blending it into everything so it just blends all together. I'm going to take this Morphe setting spray. I'm almost out of it. I think they have a new one too, but I don't think I'm on their PR list anymore. I'm going to take a little bit of this and spray my face. It smells so good. I'm obsessed with the smell. I just love the smell so much. It's just so fresh and clean and not strong or overpowering. I don't know if she still has this or if it was like limited edition or something. It's the Huda Beauty Natural Nudes. They're minis. They're liquid matte minis. I've had this for a really long time, but I can't, and I kind of wanted to keep it because they're so cute. I don't know, I just like mini things, but I can't find the two of my favorite Huda Beauties, the nude ones, which are Girlfriend and Trendsetter. Those are my two favorites. I can't find them anywhere in the full size, so I have to bust one of these open. I think it's gonna be either Trendsetter or Girlfriend. I don't know which one I want to use. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use Girlfriend. I've had them for a long time, like a year already, I think. But I will link them. The camera died. I will check and see if they have this and link it in the description box. Honestly, I really love her lipsticks. Her formula, I don't know, it's so thin. It's almost like watery, but it's not drying. I really like her formula for her liquid lipstick. You guys thought I was going to forget my under eyes, huh? Because I did. I literally turned off my camera thinking I was done. What a dumbass, I swear. Okay, I can't do my eyes first anymore. Okay, I think I'm just going to take a little bit of this darker blue color right here and just put it really close to my lash line. And this does have a little bit of fallout, so I'm trying to be careful. Ah, it's already giving me fallout. Kind of just tapping it and then with my brush kind of pulling it down. I'm going to take a little bit of my bronzer and then just blend it out just a little bit. Really turned off my camera. I thought I was done. Now I'm going to put some mascara on my lower lash line. Now we're done.